Hey guys, how's it going? This is a smaller project today that I made purely out of scrap pieces. I began with a piece of hardwood, not sure what kind it is, and started cutting it down to size. I was going to be using this for a pair of shutter sets that I am currently working on, so I sized it to match the stiles and rails that I had already cut for them. For the lip of the jig, I used a cutoff of 2x4, glued that onto the hardwood and let that sit for a couple hours. When I came back, I began to mark out the dowel holes. I wasn't too concerned about where they were placed in the jig, so once I found the center point, I used the compass to mark the same distance from the two sides, and then used a Forstner bit to drill the holes, rotating the jig 90 degrees to account for any potential drift my drill press might have, to allow for a straight hole. After the testing, it's good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.